Woke up this morning, got myself a gun. Logged into Azeroth, the lag had just begun. Saw my ornate dagger, shiny and divine. Turtle wide and broke his spell powers, making it decline. You woke up this morning, all your crit was gone. Yeah, your pause was looking tragic, that tulip done you wrong. I used to one-shot mages, vanish and be gone. Now I'm hitting like a priest, trying to auto on. The patch note said intended, I said this can't be right. They turned my murder weapon into candlelight. From Shadowfang Keep to Ogrimmar. They say the dagger's balanced, but they went too far. I whispered to GM, but they just said coat. Now I'm sitting in Stormwind, sniffing that coat. You woke up this morning, lost that roguey fun. Got yourself a dagger that hits like a gun. You woke up this morning. 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 And all I got was you woke up this morning. 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 And all I got was nerfed.